to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute flower. So let's get started. We'll start with the circle, the center of a beautiful flower. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Around the circle, let's add some pretty petals. Just slowly make these round petals. Our flower is starting to bloom. Petals are like big colorful smiles, don't you think? Yes, you got this! Yay! Our petals are almost complete! Now, let's give our flower a stem. It holds up the flower so proudly. Now let's add a leaf. Let's add another one. We're almost done. Our flower looks so beautiful and so cheerful. It would be super exciting to paint this flower. Yay! It's done! Now, let's make its cute face. We are starting with the eyes. And now, the mouth. Now let's make the cutest eyes. You just have to draw 2 small circles in each eye. Now fill the eyes. Now it's time to paint. Light pink for the shading. It looks like a cute magical flower from a fairy tale, don't you think? This pink looks so beautiful, like a cotton candy. It looks like a happy little flower, full of life and joy. Red. Red and pink together make such a beautiful combination. Don't you love how this looks? Every flower is unique, just like you. I just loved coloring these petals. Orange. Our flower is almost ready. Brown for the stem. Green. It's like this flower is waving us hello. It's almost ready. Ta-da! Bye-bye. If you like this video, subscribe for